The time machine. A new friend. Glossary. Live.
Yaşamak.
Everybody.
Herkes.
Sometimes.
Bazen.
Boring.
Sıkıcı.
View.
Manzara.
Suddenly.
Aniden.
Cute.
Sevimli.
Allow.
İzin vermek.
Together.
Birlikte.
Have rest.
Dinlenmek.
Seaside.
Deniz kenarı.
Train.
Antrenman yapmak.
Punctual.
Dakik.
Generous.
Cömert.
Share.
Paylaşmak.
Learn.
Öğrenmek.
Curious.
Meraklı.
Smart.
Zeki.
Equipment.
Araç gereç.
Architecture.
Mimari.
Contest.
Yarışma.
Dream.
Hayal.
Effort.
Çaba.
Sign.
İşaret, levha.
Unbelievable.
İnanılmaz.
I'm Hale. I'm 13 years old. I live in a town. Our town is near the sea. Everybody knows each other in the town because it's small. There is only one school in our town. There are 30 students at school. There are 13 students at the middle school and 17 students at the primary school. We're 5 students in the 7th grade. The school starts on Monday. I love my town, but sometimes it is boring. My family and I live on our farm. I work on our farm at weekends. I must leave now. We're going to the city. We're going to do some shopping. I need new notebooks, pencils, and pens for school. I'm excited because I like going to the city. It's bigger than my town. There is a big cinema in the city. I usually go to the cinema. Oh, my mom says that we have 1 hour to reach the city. I look around on the way. The view is beautiful. The sea is on one side and the forest is on the other side. We go to the city twice a month. I love traveling. We arrive at the city center and we go to the shopping mall. Suddenly, my father sees his friend. We go to a cafe and drink lemonade together. They're moving to our small town next week. Their house is next to our farm. I'm happy because I haven't got any friends near our farm. My father's friend is an engineer. His wife is an architect. They have got a son and a daughter. Their daughter is 5 years old. Her name is Curly. She's cute. Their son is 13 years old. He is Bill. He is outgoing. He likes talking. He likes going to the cinema too.
Can we go to the cinema with Hale? We're bored here.
Our parents allow us to go to the cinema. After the cinema, we meet with our parents. We have dinner together at a restaurant. We leave the city at 7 o'clock in the evening. It's Sunday. I always wake up early in the morning. My father's friend and his family are moving today. I wait for Bill in the garden. Finally, they're coming. We prepare drinks and some food. They have a rest in our garden. Bill and I leave our house after lunch. We walk along the seaside. We go around the town. Bill likes the town.
Is there a basketball team at school? I play basketball.
No, there isn't. But there is an Olympic pool at school. You can swim. We play basketball, but there isn't a basketball team, Bill. He says he plays at a basketball team. He runs 3 days in a week. He trains 4 times a week. He always eats healthy food. He has 3 medals. He must be really successful. I like outdoor activities. I usually go jogging along the seaside. I like diving too. I like the sea world. I feel amazing under the sea.
Wow, you dive. It's wonderful. I can swim well, but I can't dive.
Don't worry. We have a diving club in the town. You can take a brochure from school tomorrow. Bill is happy because he thinks diving is more amazing than basketball. It's Monday, and it's our first day at school. I always go to school by bike. Bill has got a bike too, but he goes to school with his father today. We're at school now. Bill is the new student in our class. We meet our new science teacher too. Her name is Meg Simpson. She is beautiful and smart. She has got wavy brown hair. She's slim and tall. She wears red glasses. We go to the laboratory. Mrs. Simpson prepares a lot of equipment for us in the big laboratory. She writes an important note about science on the board.
Dear students, science doesn't like selfish students. Science likes generous, hard-working and punctual students. These are the rules in science. 1. Be punctual. Do experiments on time. 2. Be generous. Share what you learn. 3. Study hard. 4. Be curious. Learn more.
Mrs. Simpson says we have science classes 3 times a week. We also talk about outdoor activities. She's an interesting teacher. She likes diving too. She's a member of the diving club. I love our science teacher.
How can I join the diving club?
Oh, come on. Let's find our headmaster. We find our headmaster in the school garden.
Okay, Bill. You can join the diving club.
She writes Bill's name on a notebook and gives him a timetable. Then we leave the school. In the evening, we have dinner with Bill's family. Bill's sister is cute, but she's stubborn. She doesn't want to eat her soup. Bill is more easygoing than his sister. Bill's father designs a machine. They move to this town because Bill's father needs a quiet place for his studies. Bill's mother draws city plans. She says they lived in a big and strange city before. There weren't any shopping malls or tall buildings in the city, So she decided to join the architecture contests, and she won many awards.
Success comes by dreams and efforts.
I start thinking. I like diving, reading, running, and doing experiments, but I don't have a dream or a goal. I tell this to Bill's mom, and Bill's mom says,
Hale, you must focus on your interests. What do you like more? Ask this question to yourself. Then, ask yourself what you want to achieve. When you can answer these questions, you can find your dreams and goals, and you can start working on them.
Then she shows me their dream room. There are many books and 2 big machines in the room. They look interesting.
Look at these books, Hale. These are signs for dreams. Bill's dad and I dream, work hard, and then we achieve our goals. Bill says you like diving. What do you dream under the sea?
Then she leaves the room. Bill and I are in the room. I look at the machines.
They're special machines. This is for the future, and that's for the past.
Wow, really? This is unbelievable. Can you use them?
No, my father can use the machines. My mother and I are co-pilots. We need one more co-pilot.
I can be the co-pilot. I'm really excited.